Alright Scouts, gather round because today I'm about to show you how to turn a few logs and a bit of cordage into the comfiest camp chair you've ever used. No store-bought gear, no fancy tools, just old school know-how, a dash of teamwork, and a whole lot of fun. So, picture this. You're at camp, you've just finished a big hike, and you're dreaming of a place to chill by the fire. What do? Build a camp chair, of course. Here's how it goes down. First, grab 3 sturdy logs, each about as long as your arm. You want them pretty straight. 2 will be the legs and 1 will be the seat. Safety tip, always cut away from yourself and keep your gear sharp. Gloves and eye protection, yeah, that's non-negotiable. Next up, cordage. Paracord works great, but any strong rope will do. Lay the 2 leg logs down so they make an X, with the bottom spread apart about shoulder width. Now, lash them together tightly where they cross. If you're using the square lashing technique, you're doing it right. Now here comes the fun part. Take your seat log and rest it in the top of the X. It should fit snugly in the notch where the 2 legs cross. If you want extra security, tie it in place with a few wraps of cord. But hey, what if you want a seat that doesn't dig into your legs? Grab some more cord and weave a simple net between the seat log and the 2 legs. Just wrap the rope back and forth, making a nice, tight web. Trust me, your legs will thank you later. And that's it, you just built a camp chair from scratch. It's sturdy, it's comfy, and best of all, you made it with your own hands. Take a seat, lean back, and soak in that campfire glow with your fellow scouts. There's nothing like the feeling of building something yourself, especially when it's this useful. So next time you're out in the wild, remember, with a little creativity and a few basic skills, you can make your own adventure gear. Go try it out and let me know how your camp chair turns out. Happy scouting!